Good morning. Today we are going to see paper 98012 May June 2024 mathematics paper 1. Okay, it's a core paper. So this is your first question. We have to write it in numbers. We have to write it in words. It is 31,072,000. So when you are writing, it is 31 million and 72,000. Okay, this is your first question. The second question, measure the size of the angle X. So by using it, when we measured, it comes around 45 degrees for me. So measure it and measure the angle with the base here. Okay, so second question, measure the length of the line AB in millimeters. So after measuring the scale from point A to point B, it comes around 8.4 centimeters. So converting to 8.4 centimeters it is coming. So converting to millimeters, it is 84 millimeters. Okay, mark the midpoint M on the line AB. Just from A, mark the half of the distance. 8.4 is 4.2. Okay, just 4.2 from A, centimeters from A. Mark this point as M. Okay, now draw the next question. Draw a line through the midpoint M that is perpendicular to the line AB. Okay, just we have to draw a line. Make sure it is making an angle of 90 degrees when you are passing through M. 1 minute, it is not coming. Exactly draw a line which is perpendicular. Okay, my line is not coming. Make sure it makes an angle 90 degrees. Okay, mine is little bit dancing, so make it straight line. I am not having a scale to use it properly. Okay, next question. Find the value of the reciprocal of 0.4. It is 1 by 0.4, which is equal to 100 by 40. When on dividing further, 0 get cancelled. It is 10 by 4. Okay, 10 by 4, which is how much? It is 10 by 4, 100. So 0 gets cancelled. Okay, it is 10. Now divided it by 4, 2 times 8. So remaining 2. Here keep a point and 0. It's 2.5. Okay, what is the write these numbers in the orders. Next one, the last part here. Okay, so 6 by 7, when you are dividing it, you will get an answer of, I will write from here, it is 0.8571. Okay, when divide 8 by 6 by 10, that's all here. 8 by 6 divided by 10. For the second one, it is 0.86 directly. And the third one, 11 by 13, when you divide, you will get around 0.8461. Okay, and the last part, it is 86.5 divided by 100. When you are making, you will get an answer around 0.865. Okay, these are the numbers. So we have to write from the smallest that is given here. Okay, from the smallest you are writing, which is the smallest one here, 0.8461. okay, then 0.8571, 0.806 I am writing here because it is 0.865 there. So this will be the largest one. That's all. Okay, can we go to the next question? Yeah, this one is the fifth question. Okay, fifth question, A part. Draw the lines of symmetry on a quadrilateral. Lines of symmetry is a line which gives a mirror image when you are drawing it. So first we will draw a straight line from the top. Okay, 1, this is equally half, you will get a mirror image. Similarly, when you draw a line like this, you will get a equally same image from top and bottom. Now from a line to the two edges. Okay, here, and one more from here to here. Yeah, so 4 lines. Okay, so you will get, no, I have to write the answer, not here, so I made a mistake. Okay, so draw the lines of symmetry. So totally 4 lines of symmetry you have to form a mirror image when you are drawing the line. Okay, so B part of the question. Fifth B, I am write down the mathematical name of a quadrilateral that has a rotational symmetry of order 2. So what will be that? Rotational symmetry, it is rectangle. Either you can write rectangle, okay, or rhombus, or a parallelogram. Any two you have to write it. Please be careful in writing it. Okay, rotational symmetry of order 2. So the sixth question I am going. The temperature in the midnight is -4. The temperature at the noon is 25. Work out the difference between these two temperatures. Okay, difference in the sense we have to minus. So difference we have to calculate. So how will you calculate? 25 higher temperature minus of -4 degrees centigrade. Okay, finding the difference is minus and the another temperature is -4 degrees. So minus of minus become plus. So 25 plus 4, it is equal to 29 degrees centigrade. So answer is 29 degrees centigrade. A gardener charges $655 for each hour and he works, and plus a fixed charge is 15 rupees 50 cents. Calculate the total amount of charges he works for 4 hours. Okay, so how will you calculate? Now we will write the fixed charge, which is $15.50. Okay, plus he is, for every hour he gets around $6.55. Okay, for how many hours he is working? 4 hours. So we are multiplying it by 4. So $6.55 plus into 4, how much you are getting? So $6.55 into 4, you are getting 26.20. Okay, plus $15.50. Okay, totally I am putting a dollar symbol. So totally these two together you will get an answer around $41.70. It is given there. Okay, now ninth question. Okay, oh, I missed any question here. 1 minute. Yeah, I missed a question at the bottom. Jonah has $750. He spends 1/4 of the money on travel and some of his money on food. He is now having $437.50. Work out the fraction of $570 he spends on the food. How much is the fraction you have to calculate? So how will we calculate? The amount he spends on food is, on the travel is 750 divided by 4, which is, I am putting a dollar symbol, it is $187.50. Okay, this is the amount he spent for travel. Okay, and some money on food, and balance is 437. So after subtracting these two, okay, after subtracting these two answers, okay, 750 total amount minus, you can directly substitute 750 by 4 plus 437.50. okay, you will get around 125 after all these things. Okay, so 125 remaining amount after he is spending. Okay, you will get a charge, that is 750 minus 187.50, we get 562.50. with these two subtraction you will get this answer. Okay, and the remaining charge you have to subtract. I made a plus sign here. He made remaining how much? 437 he is having. So subtracting all this amount, you will get around $125. Okay, so now make the ratio to get the fraction. $125 divided by the total amount 750, you will get the division value of 0.1666. okay, this is the value you will get. Okay, now we have to find it in fraction. So how will you do it in fraction? Can I erase this part? I will do it again. Okay, so how will we do the 0.166 to fraction? I am making it one step clearer. Okay, 10x is equal to 1.666, 1x equal to 0.666. So 10x minus 1x, okay, is equal to 1.5. 5. Similarly, that is subtracting 1.66 minus 0.66. Okay, so 9x equal to 1.5 or x equal to 1.5 divided by 9. Okay, 1.5 divided by 9, multiplying it by 10 on both sides, you will get 15 by 90, which is equal to 1 by 6. This is your fraction answer you have to give there. Okay, it is 1 by 6. This is the answer for this question. Here, next question. It's a very simple question. Okay, here, ninth question is stem leaf diagram. It's very simple. Okay, we will start writing. How to write is being given in the bottom. Please make it clear and then start writing. I'll write here first and then we will move it there. Okay, first one is 48. I write it. Then 44. Okay, 39, 28, 57, 22, 36, 41, 54, 57, 49. Okay, one minute. 49. Okay, a little bit. Okay, then last one is 52. Can we rewrite this in ascending orders from here? Now we have to write 22, 8. Here ascending order is 6, 9. Here it is 1, then 4, then 8, then 9. Here it is 2, 4, 7 and 7. That's all. Okay. Find the median. So how will you find the median? Totally how many numbers you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12 numbers. Okay, so for the 12 numbers, how will you calculate the median? 12 divided by 2, it is 6. So we will calculate from 6. It's an even number. So we have to take two numbers into account. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth number. Okay, this is the sixth one and seventh one also you have to take into account. So we are writing 44 and 48. Two numbers. So adding these two and dividing by 2. 44 plus 48 how much? It is 92 divided by 2. It is 46 is the answer. Okay, next question. It's A 5 minus 7 and B is 6 minus 7. You have to calculate, work out A minus B. So 5 minus 6 and minus 7 plus 7 is equal to, here it's minus 1, it's 0. So minus 1, 0. Okay, this is the answer. Can we go to the next question? It's the 12th question. Okay, write the 0.04268 to the two significant figures. So what is the answer? Very simply we can write it. It's 0.046. Okay, because the next number is less than 5. Okay, can we go to the 13th question? Just we have to shade the region A union B in the Venn diagram. So just by shading these two parts. Okay, I am drawing by scale. Sorry, by lines. Please make sure you are covering all the part inside alone. Don't go outside the diagram. Yeah, up to here. Okay, this is the Venn diagram part. You have to cover it. Now next question, factorize completely 20x minus 90x square. So what is the common thing? Only x and 10. In the 10 table it will go. So 10 and x we are taking outside. Remaining is 2 minus 9x. So that is the answer. So 10x in bracket, 2 minus 9x. Okay. Next question, 15th one. Describe the type of correlation between the speed of the runners and the time taken to complete a race. It is in negative, it is decreasing. Okay, one increase, it's a decrease part. So I will write negative correlation. Okay, next question. A circle has an area of 36 pi centimeter square. Okay, so area is been, I will write it here. Okay, area is 36 pi centimeter square. It is given. So its area formula is pi r square, which is equal to 36 pi. We will cancel out the pi on either side. So r is equal to root 36, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So radius is 6 centimeters. From that we have to calculate the circumference of the circle. So circumference formula is, what's the circumference formula for circle? It is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into r value is 6. So it is 12 pi. You can write it as 12 pi itself. Okay. So next part is the one more question in B question. The circle forms a base of a cylinder with a height h and the volume of the cylinder is 540 pi centimeter cube. Okay. So we have to write the volume of circle. Okay. Volume of the circle is, please remember, it is pi r square h. Okay. H is not given. You have to calculate. Volume is given. It is 540 pi. Here we have to write pi into r square. From the previous part it is 6 square into h. Both the pi will get cancelled. Okay, 540. Now I'll write it here. 540 divided by 6 square is 36, which is equal to h. So after dividing by 36, you will get 36, 540. For 9 tables I'm moving through. Okay, it's 4 and it is 60. Furthermore, when you are dividing, you will get 15 centimeter. Very basic table I am going through to make it clear. Okay, it's 15 centimeters. Can we go to the next question? It's 17th question we are going through. Okay, write in the standard form 1,74,000. Okay, 1,74,000 we will say. It's 140. So how will you move to the standard form? It is 1.74 into 10 power 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1.74 into 10 power 5. Okay, 18th question I am moving through. The diagram shows a right triangle. Okay, it is given the data. It is 8.5 centimeter and 14 centimeter. You have to calculate the x. So in a triangle, this is hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse. This is, which is opposite? Opposite array hypotenuse. This is opposite side. Okay, this is adjacent. So we will write, to find this angle, what these two is given, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse is which formula? It's cos theta or sin theta. You have to write the angle. So it's 1 minute. So okay, we will do, it is cos theta. Okay, so cos theta equal to 8.5 divided by 14, and theta is equal to cos inverse of 8.5 by 14 in calculator. It gives around 52.61. Okay, can we move to the next part? Without using the calculator you have to do. So you have to convert this and you have to give the answer in the mixed numbers. So how will you give the answers? Here it is 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 7 by 8. So 2 1 by 4 is 9 by 4 divided by, it is 15 by 8. Okay, just multiplying here and then plus here. So 9 by 8 and 9 by 4 and 15 by 8. So dividing, we are changing into multiplication by reciprocating it. Okay, now we are using 3 tables here and 3. This is 5. Here it is 2 times. Okay, 3 into 2 at the numerator and 5 at the bottom. It is 6 by 5. So when you are changing to mixed numbers, it is 1 1 by 5. Answer is 1 1 by 5. The next 20th question, expand and simplify. So just multiplying this one first with both numbers. So it is x square minus 4x. Now again second time we are multiplying this one and this one. Okay, we are multiplying these two parts. Okay, now we are multiplying these two parts. You will get, what is the answer? It is minus 7x. Minus of minus we can plus, it's 28. So x square minus 4x minus 7x is 11x plus 28. This is the answer. Show your calculation. Be careful with the saying and the symbols. Okay. Now the now 21st question. It is 5 power 7 divided by 5 power x is equal to 5 power 3. So when you are in dividing, but the base is common. Okay, 5 is common, but the new power is different. So we have to get the answer by how subtracting. So 5 power 7. You can directly subtract x because both the base are same. That's a formula we will use. Get 5 power 3. Okay. So how will you get 5 power 7? Because it is in division, we have to subtract. If it is in multiplication, you will do the addition part here. Okay, 7 plus x it will become. Now for division, it is 7 minus x. So both the bases are same. Now leave the base, come to the powers, it is 3. Therefore moving the x that side, it is 7 minus 3 equal to x. Therefore I will write it here, x is 4. Okay, this is the answer. The length L meters of a piece of material is 4.5 meters. Correct to the nearest 10 centimeters. So this is this way. I am converting now the 10 centimeters to meters. 10 centimeter to meter, it becomes 0.1 meters. Okay, you have to divide it equally. So 0.1 divided by 2, it becomes 0.05 meters. Now this is the scale I am using. Here it is 4.5. This side it is 0.05 and this side it is 0.05. One will become positive and other side will become negative. Upper limit and lower limit. Okay. This side and this side. It's 0.05 plus and 0.05 minus. So your answer will be 4 plus 4.55 and the minus becomes 4.45. Okay, upper limit and lower limit. Now, so it is from 4.45 to 4.55. Okay, 23rd question. X is a natural number less than 12. Okay, so total numbers we will get here is up from 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Last one. Okay, so some numbers are given already. It is 10 is given and 2 and 8 is given. Okay, so we will do what? Cancel it out. The 10 it is given already, 2 is given and 8 is given. Okay, so we have to check which is common here. See, in S and T 1 is common and similarly 7 is also common. Okay, we will write in the union part here 1 and 7. Okay, 1 and 7 also gone. Okay, what are the remaining numbers? It is 4, 1 is written there, 4 I am writing here, 10 already they have written. Okay, and next part T I am writing, it is 1 common, so it is written, 7 is also common written, 3, 5, 9 and 11. Okay, 3, 5, 9 and 11 I have written here in the other part. Common numbers I have written in the intersection part in between. 2 and 8 given. So what is the remaining number? See, I have written 3, 5, 9, 11 and 4 is also written. The only one number that is missing is 6. So write it here. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, in the common points we have written here and the remaining parts we have as given in S and T we have written. It is the one number that is missing. We have written in the outer part. Okay, in a class of 30 students, next question 24th, in a class of 30 students, 13 travel by bus to the school. There are 570 students. You have to calculate how they travel. What is the expected number of students? So how will you calculate the expected number of students? Just simple question. Okay, 13 is the number of students travel by bus. You have to find the expected answer, 13 by 30 out of 30. So into total 570. Okay, cancel these things. 3 stack it of 57. You will get around 19. So 13 into 19. What is the answer you are getting? 247. Okay, answer is 247. Next question, 25th. The diagram shows a flagpole BD. This is one vertical line held by two ropes AD and CD. Okay, ABC is a straight line. ABD is 90 degrees here, and AD is 21, AB is 16.5. Angle BCD is 48 degrees they have given. Now what we have to calculate, show that the height of the flagpole BD is 13.3 by correct one decimal places. So I will draw the diagram separately. This part alone. This is B, this is D, this is A, this is 21.2 meters, this is 16.5 meters. We need this part. Hypotenuse is given. Okay, Pythagoras theorem we will use. So BD square is equal to AB, which is the longest part, AD square minus AB square. RBD is equal to square root of AD square is 21.2 square minus 16.5 square. So what is the answer of BD? I think it is coming around 13.3. Sorry, 1 minute. I made a mistake. I made the decimal before. It is 13.311 it is coming. So correcting to one decimal places, it is 13.3 centimeters. Sorry, meters. Okay. Calculate the length of the rope CD. How will you calculate the length of the rope? Now we will take this part because they are asking for CD, length of the rope. Now we calculated BD just now. It is 13.3 meters. Okay, this angle is 48 they have given. So we have calculated. Now we have to calculate the side CD. So by using sine formula, sine 48 equal to 13.3 divided by CD. So cross multiplying, CD will move up. 13.3 divided by sine 48, which is equal to 17.4 meters. So yes, they are given. This is the answer. We have to find this part. Okay. That's all for this end of the paper. We will communicate in the next paper. Thank you.